Okay. But one more thing I wanted to point out, Linda, was on most bushes you can get by with a 2 gallon per hour flag dripper. And see, like on a plant like this, you don't necessarily need a 2 gallon per hour. I could have used an inline dripper like for 1 gallon. I could put a drip for that, and I could put the 2 gallon per hour and a 1 gallon per hour here. But because you've got such a large tree here, I decided to do 2, and that's mimicking watering both this area and this over here. So in a sense, I'm getting 3 gallons here, 1 gallon over there. Anything like that, so you can mix and match however you want. Okay?
Okay.
Sounds good. Okay, Linda, I'm going to steer you in the right direction. I've got just a few more minutes to be here. The battery's almost dead, and I'm just going to briefly explain to you what's going on here and what you're going to do, okay? Now here's your sprayer. So that's going to go for here, but then you're going to also look here, and I've already seen there's a dripper and a bubbler right here, okay? And I see, here's another one just laying loose here. You're going to re-loop that, and that's going to go over to that. So in a sense, I have no idea what they're doing this for. You're going to cut this off and put a little plug there. You're going to make note of that. And in case you ever want to put a plant here, you've already got the drip here and it's capped off, saving water, okay? So that's how you're going to, so that's going to take care of that area. Then you're going to come down over here. All right, bring the camera on down.
Okay.
I think. You're going to have to take a quick look at this here. Okay, you got 3 more bushes here, right?
Mm-hmm.
You got these 2 rose bushes and this one. This over here is your neighbor's, but this is your property line. So we've got 3 bushes here. Here's a sprayer. Okay, you follow that back, and I saw it comes out of the main water line here. See this pipe? Okay, that's connected to here. Right? See this? Look at that.
Yeah.
What you're going to do is you're going to cut this line, and you're going to put a T there. And then part of this line is going to be here. The T is going to go that direction, and then you're going to have some other pipe go over to here. Does that make sense?
Got it.
You can reuse this pipe
Okay.
for that. And then we've got this bush over here. We already took a quick look, and you showed it to me. Here, look at this. You've got this. Here's a bubbler going to nowhere, wasting water again. Here's your little standoff pipe. So what you're going to do here is you're going to cut this. You're going to put a coupling on here, and you're going to run another tube, 1/4-inch tube, over to there. You're going to put your 2 gallon per hour flag there, and you're going to save this dripper for something else. Okay.
All
Now,
right.
another thing you could do if you don't want to use the flag dripper, if you feel comfortable with using this, you can cut this off, and put a coupling there, then you can run your new 1/4-inch tubing there, and you can put the same tip on the end over there if you want. I don't know what these are. I don't know if these are, okay, you know what? This says 2. Looks like it's, my eyes are failing me. I think it says a 2 GPH. Yes, so this is 2 gallon per hour. You could use that over there. So basically, your coupling, new piece, you have to put another coupling or pull this off of the end, and then you can put this on the new end of the pipe down over there. Okay?
Is the flag also 2 gallon per
Yes.
hour? Okay.
The flags that we purchased are 2 gallon, and you can buy these that are 2 gallon per hour as well. We could have gotten those, but those at the store I think were $6 or $7 for 10, and those 2 gallon per hour flag drippers were like $2 for 10. You remember that?
Yeah.
I think that's why we got
Yeah.
those, and those will work just as well. I'm always looking at to save you money, you know that.
Yeah, I do know that.
Okay.
So I wonder if one of those plugs up easier than another.
Pardon?
The flag versus the other drip.
I don't know. You can run your drip irrigation out here. You can take a look at this. If this is free flowing, you can make that determination. If you got a question about that, I can take a full look at that when we're all done with this entire project. I can come back,
Okay.
and then you can decide at that point. Do you want to take an end off, put a different end on there, or what? But all of these here, these are all plants, that will take 2 gallons per hour, whether or not you have this type of end or a flag dripper at that end, okay?
Okay.
All right, I think you have enough tools and ammunition to get her done, okay?
I do too.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, one last question. Linda, you had a question for me. You're gonna do everything, but you're very seldom gonna need that cutter tool, right?
Yeah.
You saw we only used it for 1 or 2 things.
Yeah.
Because most of your existing landscaping already will have your 1/4-inch tubing everywhere. But if you happen to see, you're going to come across, every once in a while, you may come across a plant that has no water whatsoever. You cannot find a drip to it or anything. At that point, if you feel, hey, that really needs water, now you've got your tool all set up. You can find your line like I showed you. You can use, that's when you're going to use that punch. Okay? I know you can do it. Well, she's got a nice start to a little garden area. I see it's a little shy over there, and this one's kind of overgrown over here. I'm not sure if this is all watered properly. And next time, if she's got any questions about that, we might even add that to the list. See, step by step, you just have to take one plant at a time, find all that stuff. You're like a little investigator finding all the stuff. And right here, the water, this area was all saturated, and we actually dug down and we found this pooched down in the ground, believe it or not, just going away. And they thought they had it tied off. See, sometimes you can tie off something like that if you don't have a plug, let's say, but this was just squirting out like nobody's business. Like this thing wasn't even working. I'm not sure what that was all about, but we're gonna have to do something with that too, and we'll cap that off, put a plug there too. And then you're just gonna go along the fence, make sure everything is covered. You can do it step by step. I know you can.